While regular kids were having fun and going to the movies, we Eastern Europeaners were jumping around like idiots trying to learn traditional folklore. No, I don't mean folklore as an old tale or myth, even though I wish there was at times. It's a type of cultural dance. Try explaining to your friends that you can't hang out this weekend because you have to get ready to perform on stage. They are probably thinking,
dancing the cha-cha-cha. Surgeon General and his partner, Julianne Hough.
When in reality, it's like, next to the stage, Soko Palmer Square performing Igra iz Srbije. We don't get glammed up like they do on the show, but the girls do get hair extensions. While these ballroom dancers are getting human hair weaves, our girls are getting horsehair braids to wrap around their tight buns. Somewhere in the world there's a horse running bald. And we don't get those shimmery, sexy outfits either. We get these baggy, itchy, hand-me-down costumes from the church we perform for. Now don't get me started on the shoes. Do these look like Air Jordans to you? It's just unattractive. Now every church has their own dance group, some of which we like and some of them we hate. But there's always that one group that thinks their shit don't stink. They get the loudest cheers, not because they're good, because their families always give them a standing ovation. While the rest of us are like, you saw the same dog and pony show last week. Wasn't that great? The rest of us dancers just go through the motions to get it done with. Trust me, majority of us did not enjoy it. In fact, our parents force us to do it so we could be with our own kind, as if we're aliens to the rest of the world. They would get so involved that they would fight with the teachers if we got kicked out of class, or if the teacher doesn't want us to perform for various reasons. One, because you suck, and two, because you've been missing practice. If I knew that back then, I would have missed every practice. I did enjoy it at one point because I love to entertain and be on stage, but people ruined it for me. Either you had people with 2 left feet and no rhythm bringing everyone down, or you would get teased by other kids for doing a good job. It ain't my fault you were born untalented. Anywho, after the performances, we change into our normal clothes. We changed in the most random spots, like the church conference room or even the Sunday school classrooms. You know what? I nicely waltzed my ass into a bathroom stall for my own privacy, because the last thing I need is another kid making fun of my man boobs at such a young age. Kids were such assholes back then, even to this day. Once everyone got changed, then the party could begin, with the same DJ, the same songs, and the same group of people. Looking back at it now, it was kind of awkward being watched and judged by the adults in the crowd, especially when they're watching you like a security camera at a bank. Even more so when you hear popular songs about alcohol, money, and sex being played at a church function and all the kids are going crazy. Smooth move, guys. All of this repeats until you graduate high school, and then you're free at last. However, some fanatics continue in adult groups. I was even recruited to be in a few of them, but I'm retired. But if that invitation has a $sign attached to it, then I might temporarily unretire myself. Maybe.
Keep posted on upcoming videos by subscribing to my channel down here. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at surgeon_general, and Facebook and Twitter at Surgeon General.